This Moroccan chickpea soup is a deliciously simple recipe with the perfect blend of chickpeas, tomatoes, and spices. You start by adding the onion to the soup maker, and you can get the ninja to chop the onion up for you, or you can just manually chop it yourself. The chop program will run for 12 seconds. You can also chop up any other ingredients you want to at the same time. Next, I'm adding a chopped up carrot and some chopped up celery as well. You can add whatever vegetables you want. I've added some frozen chopped garlic, a tin of chopped tomatoes. I've used this brand because it's my favourite at the moment and it seems to be on offer quite a lot at the supermarket, but you can use whichever one you want to. Then I've added a tin of chickpeas, which I have drained and rinsed under cold water. Then I've added these spices. Details are listed in the description down below. And some vegetable stock. And then I just add hot water directly from the kettle into the soup maker jug. You could make your stock up separately if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. And then place the lid back on the soup maker, switch it on and choose the smooth soup. Or you could do chunky. I just prefer smooth soup for this particular recipe. Before we carry on, I wanted to let you know about my latest soup maker recipe book. The paperback is available directly on Amazon, or the digital version can be bought directly from my website. All the links are in the description down below. The book is full of all my favourite soup maker recipes from the blog and some extras, and they've been tested many times over, especially for the soup maker. So the soup maker cycle will run for 30 minutes and it will beep when it's finished. Let's take the lid off and see what the soup looks like. Be careful taking the lid off because some of the hot steam as it comes out might burn you. So the consistency of this one has come out a little bit thicker than I wanted it to. So what I've done is I've just added a bit of hot water straight from the kettle just to thin it out very, very slightly. And that's it. Really tasty Moroccan chickpea soup. So easy to make in the soup maker. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Do check out the rest of the videos on my channel if you want more soup maker recipes or other types of recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.